Hello brothers, I hope you are in good health. The venerable Tenere nameplate has been a popular mainstay of Yamaha's off-road lineup since the early 90s, with the current generation Yamaha Tenere 700 being considered a class leader for its go-anywhere capability and versatility. But the competition is fierce and the possibility of the arrival of the Yamaha Tenere 900 is approaching. So let's talk about it. Currently, brands generally use the same thruster and even the same platform in different models. The idea is clear in this regards, and cost savings are now almost a necessity if you want to be competitive. As we know, the Yamaha's 890cc CP3 platform has already demonstrated its versatility. As its power, the Tracer 9 Sport Tourer, MT-09 Roadster, and Retro XSR 900. Thus, the Tenere 900 will fill the void left by the Yamaha XT1200Z Super Tenere and will face the Triumph Tiger 900 as well as the new Ducati Desert X. Since the XT1200Z Super Tenere failed to find favor with buyers with its bulky weight, the Tenere 900 will be touted as a lighter and more usable off-roader. A generous 3-cylinder in power, which is 119 horsepower on the Tracer 9 and not too big and heavy to fit into the chassis, also suitable for off-roading. The renderings signed by the Nicolas Petit have been designed following the technical and aesthetic of the last Tenere 700. We can find a tubular steel frame, the swing arm in aluminum alloy, and the 19 inches box wheel that will certainly be more in tune with 3-cylinder. Stay healthy brothers, hope you enjoyed this video.